unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, cough syrup, particularly those containing dextromethorphan, DXM, can cause serotonin syndrome if taken in excess or in combination with other serotonin-increasing substances, such as SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Serotonin syndrome is a potentially life-threatening condition that results from too much serotonin in the body, leading to symptoms like confusion, agitation, rapid heart rate, and high blood pressure. It's crucial to use cough syrup as directed and consult a healthcare provider before combining it with other medications.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.